two powerhouse platforms. One big question: which one really delivers for course creators in 2025? On the left, LearnWorlds, your ticket to a fully branded and customizable academy. And on the right, Udemy, the global marketplace where you can reach millions instantly. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each segment earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. So, here's how we're going to compare these two, just so you know where we're heading. First up, we'll look at platform control and customization. Then, audience reach, pricing and revenue, learning experience and features, ease of getting started, and finally, the support and community. Sounds good? All right, let's get into it. Starting off with platform control and customization. LearnWorlds, honestly, is like you're handed the keys to your own academy. You can do full branding, set up a custom domain, tweak your site just how you like. You actually own the student data, which, yeah, is kind of a big deal. Plus, all the interactive tools, pretty sweet. But fair warning, it's not plug and play. You gotta build your own audience, and those top-tier features show up in pricier plans. Now, Udemy, it's kind of like moving into someone else's apartment. You get instant listing, there's zero setup, but your course is stuck under their brand. No custom domain, no control over student data. So you sacrifice a lot of control for ease. So in terms of owning your platform, LearnWorlds is definitely ahead here. All right, next, audience reach. With LearnWorlds, it's all about building your own tribe. You own your contact list, which is cool, but honestly, you gotta hustle for every sign-up. On the flip side, Udemy opens the floodgates to like over 50 million students worldwide. Your course can show up in searches and Udemy's own promos. Of course, you're battling for attention among tons of other creators, but massive exposure? Yeah, Udemy totally nails it in this round. Now, pricing and revenue. Oh man, if you care about keeping your money, listen up. On LearnWorlds, you keep pretty much all the dollars you make. Set your price, run coupons, bundle up premium stuff, do whatever you want. The catch? You've got a monthly fee for the platform. Meanwhile, Udemy, well, it's free to list your course, which sounds awesome, but like when those sales start rolling in, Udemy's gonna take a hefty cut. Sometimes up to 67%. Plus, they can discount your price whenever they feel like it. So LearnWorlds is the winner if you want control over your revenue. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know on Udemy, some instructors have racked up more than 1 million students enrolled? Wild, right? That's some serious reach. Moving on, learning experience and features. Here's where things get kind of exciting. LearnWorlds is packed. AI-powered course creation, interactive videos, live classes, tons of quizzes and assessments, even an optional white label mobile app. You can set up memberships, subscriptions, and you've got full analytics. Some of the extra bells and whistles are behind higher priced plans, and their community stuff is kind of basic. But the feature set, honestly, super impressive. Udemy, it's just easy to make a course. The mobile app is there for learners, and you get a built-in certificate. It's convenient, sure, but you're missing out on the really interactive or customizable stuff. The winner here, LearnWorlds takes it. Let's talk ease of getting started. With LearnWorlds, you've got a step-by-step onboarding and even an AI assistant to help sketch out your course, but you're still responsible for putting it all together and starting from scratch with your audience. Udemy, though, you sign up, upload a course, and boom, you're live to millions of eyeballs. No setup drama, no marketing skills needed. Downside though, you won't ever really own your crowd or your platform. So for total newbies or anyone just wanting to go fast, Udemy wins. Last bit, support and community. LearnWorlds comes with around-the-clock online support, access to their academy, plus loads of free e-learning resources. Sometimes there are a few UI quirks, but overall, not bad. Udemy boasts a massive instructor community, lots of people to connect with, but the support feels a little less personal. And honestly, it can be tough to stand out in the crowd. If you want a balance between resources and feeling heard, LearnWorlds is slightly ahead. So if you're staring at a chart right now, you'll see LearnWorlds totally pushes those customization, revenue, and feature categories. Seriously, almost off the scale. Udemy spikes mainly in audience reach and getting started, so depending on what you care about, the differences get pretty clear. If you're going for total control, that boutique academy vibe, and you want to really own your brand, LearnWorlds is the move. But if you just want to get that course out ASAP, ride Udemy's massive audience, and skip the technical headaches, that's your shortcut. It's win-win depending on what's most important for you. All right, you. Which platform fits your goals best? Think about it. Control, brand, audience, or ease? If you want a deeper dive into features, or maybe you're on the fence, just let us know.